bank is better to invest in. The bank are not good in terms of investment. So if you want to invest your money, don't use the bank. Particularly if you're talking about this savings account, call account, 48, whatever. The returns that you can get there, it's very small. You get around 7, around 8%. They won't give you anything around 12, 14, 15. No. So I will not advise that you invest in a bank. If you want to save, yes, you can save there, maybe for emergencies and things that you will have to fund in a short term. But if you are planning to do something in a medium term to long term, rather consider good investment vehicles. That will be things like shares. But obviously, you need to look at your strategy. What is it that you want to achieve? And you also need to learn more about, shares. How do they work? You can utilize the likes of Citrix now, your easy equities. You can start with a basket of shares, your ETFs. Those are easier, particularly if ever you want to manage your risk, because you don't want to go aggressive when you are starting and don't understand anything. So I think it's better you understand that. What is your strategy? What is it that you want to achieve at the end of the day? But those are some of the good investment vehicles. Also look at the companies that are specializing in investment, the likes of your Allen Gray, the likes of your investment solutions, the likes of your, I just forgot this other one, but it's a number of them, Coronation, it's a number of them. They do capital or asset management. Those are the good companies for investment. You can look at those. You can look at properties as well, buying and letting or Airbnb. Look at those things. Those are more of investment rather than just putting your money in the bank. Because if you put it in the bank, for it to grow, it will take a very long time. But if you want it to grow outside the bank, there are other vehicles that you can use. Even the business is a good investment, because when it grows, then your capital also grows. So look at those. Those are some of the things that you can look at investing, rather than just looking at the bank, because the bank will give you close to nothing. Because they are not in the business of investing for anyone. They are in the business of making money. So they borrow you money, they make money. That's what they do. That's why even the interest that they give on the investment is not that attractive. So yeah, look at, your shares, your properties, and, other things. But the bank, no.